Okay, this is another sheathing patch video on my French door project. This part here was, fairly badly damaged. This was the corner of the original double window, and the window sill rotted at the corner, and it got into the sheathing under it. Now, originally I was going to keep this, but I decided that I had enough time on this project to replace this and feel better about it. So I did cut this out using the existing nail holes. I was able to determine where the stud was, although it's hard to get exactly the center line. I ended up at the center line at the top, but here it's about a quarter of an inch past that. It's about 1 inch over. So when I nail these in, I have to make sure I put it in at quite an angle, otherwise it'll just go off the edge. Okay, not a big deal. I did cut a piece out of my scrap material, and it seems like a good fit. So I'm just going to hit pause and nail this up. Okay, the pause button got stuck, so it ran for about a minute into pause. Hopefully I'll cut that out, trim it out on YouTube. Okay, so that went in okay. And this is slightly damaged, but I'm not going to worry about that. That looks pretty good. Next, I need to put house wrap around this opening. I did remove an extra clapboard off the top since the last time I showed the whole opening like that. That's just to give me a little extra room up there for the house wrap. And eventually the flashing, which is, I think, 4-inch flashing I'm going to be putting around there. So I do need to create a little margin. My plan is really just to do that wrap around the opening. And then when I finish the rest of the wall, I can have enough of an overlap, because I don't want to have to do this whole wall at the same time and have both the door out and the windows out. I want to take it one step at a time. Although on that side over there, I could wrap that, because that side I'll have access to some of it. Well, actually, I probably take that back, because I will have to remove that siding in order to put re-side it up to where the door frame will be. So I will have the house wrap only on the lower portions, and then on the upper portion only enough to cover this opening. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks.